This Weathersmith update is sponsored by our friends at Alliance Maintenance.
Good Friday night, 8:30 p.m. Friday, July 10th. It does not seem like it should be July yet. Just me getting old and complaining. All right, something new. I've been working on this application called Stacks. Basically, it is a rough map. Let's take a look. So, if a map was split up between a grid system with identical tiles, this is how the layout would be. Jasper County, Newton, McDonough County on the far right. As you work your way west, you get all the way over to Tulsa. So that's kind of the 15 counties that I cover. Right now, we're all hanging out in the 80s. Feels like 90s. So it sure beats the hundreds that we saw earlier. Wind still on the light side out of the south. I don't even see a 10 on there yet. So still blowing in that hot air. Looking at the radar, yes, everybody's dry. Now we're going to switch up to something different here. This is the next 12 hours of precip chances. So notice Kansas all the way up to Joplin area, we got chances for some showers as we work into the overnight. 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then once we get into daylight, we start seeing that sink south into Ottawa County and then McDonald County. That gives you an idea. We've got some shower chances overnight across the area. All right, moving over to the actual true maps. Storm Prediction Center has backed off on a lot of the severe features, moving it further to the east. We're all in the marginal risk, so isolated showers, thunderstorms definitely going to be possible. If you notice, along the Kansas-Oklahoma line, that's where that marginal risk is really buried at. Breaking it down even further, here's wind risk and hail risk. We're out of the hail risk, but we do have some isolated winds up to 60 miles per hour, and that's going to be a very hard stretch on these storms if they can actually get going and move into the area overnight. I think tomorrow is our better chances for seeing showers and thunderstorms across the area. Slight risk just to our east. Everybody's in the marginal risk, and with that, wind and hail going to be primary threats. No tornado risk for tomorrow. Okay, switching over to excessive rainfall outlook. Here is today's ERO. Look at the red on the map. That is because Rolla and southeast Missouri's picked up 9 to 14 inches of rain today. It's a pretty intense event over there. All right, moving over into tomorrow. Most of us are in the marginal to slight risk for flooding. And then Sunday, that pushes further south. Monday, we're clear. And Tuesday, we're clear. So we got kind of an isolated, soggy weekend to watch for. But outside that, I think we'll be fine. All right, moving over to the 4 days. Northeast Oklahoma. Waiting for it to draw. Shower chances, look at that now. They've updated this. 97 for tomorrow, 92 on Sunday, 90 Monday, and 88 on Tuesday with rain chances or storm chances every day. All right, moving over to Southwest Missouri, waiting for it to load. I should have done that ahead of time. Sorry, guys. Same thing. Showers chances all the way through Tuesday. Not as hot as Northeast Oklahoma, 92 tomorrow, and then 80s through Tuesday, and then moving over to Southeast Kansas, waiting for it to load. Much different. 91 for tomorrow with showers and thunderstorms, and then we've got some chances on Sunday, but clearing out Monday and Tuesday and keeping right around 90 degrees. All right. That is all I've got for right now. I was just looking at the radar. There's nothing out there locally, so we are in good shape. Have a fantastic rest of your night. I will talk to everybody tomorrow morning.